The world of reality television has always thrived on unexpected twists, shocking transformations, and personal revelations that leave audiences buzzing with curiosity. For TLC's hit reality series 1000 LB Sisters, the spotlight has long been on the lives of Amy and Tammy Slaton as they battled health struggles, family drama, and monumental lifestyle changes. But in recent days, it's Tammy who has ignited a storm of speculation after sharing a series of new pictures online. Fans, ever observant and eager to dissect every detail of her journey, believe these pictures suggest she might be pregnant. While Tammy hasn't confirmed or denied the rumors, the possibility has sent shockwaves through the fandom, prompting heated debates and emotional responses across social media platforms. The images that sparked the speculation were posted on Tammy's social media, where she frequently shares glimpses of her daily life after her dramatic weight loss transformation. In the photos, Tammy appeared radiant, showing off a noticeable glow that fans described as different compared to her previous posts. Some followers pointed out that her outfit seemed looser in certain areas but more rounded around her midsection, which instantly fueled pregnancy rumors. Comments flooded in, with fans asking directly whether she was expecting, while others offered congratulations prematurely. The mix of curiosity and excitement has pushed Tammy's name back into trending conversations, with many eager to know the truth behind the speculation. For longtime viewer of 1000 LB Sisters, the idea of Tammy becoming pregnant feels like a dramatic full-circle moment. Throughout the show's run, much of Tammy's storyline has revolved around her health struggles, her battles with obesity, and the life-threatening consequences of not taking control of her weight. She reached over 700 pounds at her heaviest, leaving her confined to bed and dependent on oxygen, sparking concerns about whether she would even survive to see another season. But after her impressive weight loss surgery in the staggering drop of more than 400 pounds, Tammy reinvented herself both physically and emotionally. Fans who once feared she wouldn't make it now watch her walk, travel, and smile in ways that seemed impossible just a few years ago. Against that backdrop, the possibility of pregnancy feels like yet another extraordinary chapter in her story. However, the idea of Tammy carrying a child also raises serious questions. Health experts and fans alike note the risks involved for a woman with Tammy's medical history. Even with her significant weight loss, pregnancy after bariatric surgery can be complicated, especially if the body is still adjusting to nutritional changes and healing from surgery. Many bariatric programs recommend waiting 12 to 18 months after surgery before attempting pregnancy to ensure the body has stabilized. Given Tammy's timeline, some viewers are concerned about whether this would be a safe move for her health. Still, others argue that Tammy has proven time and again she can defy expectations, and perhaps she is healthier now than ever before. Adding fuel to the fire is Tammy's romantic life, which has been a focal point of the show and social media chatter. Following the death of her husband, Caleb Willingham, Tammy seemed to retreat from the spotlight emotionally, grieving her loss while focusing on self-care. But in recent months, rumors swirled that she was dating again, with fans linking her to a new partner based on cryptic posts and subtle hints. If these whispers are true, the idea of her being pregnant suddenly feels more plausible, giving the speculation even more weight. Viewers are now questioning whether Tammy has been dropping hints about her personal life all along, leading to this bombshell. Social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Reddit are buzzing with theories. Some fans insist they saw a baby bump in Tammy's recent pictures, while others believe the look could be due to loose skin following her massive weight loss. One Reddit user argued, "People don't realize how much excess skin plays a role after bariatric surgery. It can look like a bump, but it's just part of the healing process." Others weren't convinced, pointing out Tammy's glowing skin and cheerful demeanor as potential signs of pregnancy. "She just has that mom-to-be glow," one fan commented, sparking thousands of likes and replies. The debate has also divided fans emotionally. Some are overjoyed at the thought of Tammy potentially welcoming a child, calling it the ultimate victory after years of struggle. "If she's pregnant, this is the most inspiring thing ever. From nearly dying to creating life, that's beautiful," one supporter wrote. Others, however, are more cautious, reminding fellow fans of the health risks and urging patience before celebrating. The protective nature of the fanbase highlights just how invested viewers are in Tammy's well-being, treating her life almost like a collective journey they've shared. Meanwhile, TLC has remained silent on the matter, refusing to comment on the swirling speculation. The network is no stranger to capitalizing on dramatic moments, and fans are already predicting that if Tammy is indeed pregnant, it will become a major storyline in the next season of 1000 LB Sisters. This kind of cliffhanger is exactly what keeps reality television thriving, leaving viewers desperate for answers and glued to the screen. Tammy herself has played coy, neither confirming nor denying the rumors directly. In a cryptic Instagram live session, she laughed off questions about her appearance but didn't shut them down completely, leaving the door wide open for speculation. For some, her silence is proof enough that something is happening, while others interpret it as Tammy simply enjoying the attention and mystery. If the rumors are true, Tammy's potential pregnancy would be groundbreaking for the 1000 LB Sisters narrative. It would not only highlight her personal growth but also bring a fresh angle to the show, shifting the focus from survival to motherhood. It could also inspire countless fans struggling with their own health issues, showing them that life after weight loss surgery can be filled with possibilities say thought unattainable. However, it also comes with enormous responsibility and potential medical challenges that Tammy would have to navigate carefully. On the flip side, if the rumors prove false, the speculation still underscores how invested people are in Tammy's journey. Fans want to see her happy, thriving, and moving forward in life. Whether that future involves motherhood or simply continuing her remarkable transformation, Tammy has cemented herself as one of reality TV's most compelling and resilient figures. For now, all eyes remain on Tammy's social media pages, with every new post dissected and analyzed by fans eager for confirmation. Until Tammy herself addresses the speculation head-on, the mystery will only continue to grow. Pregnant or not, what's clear is that Tammy Slaton has captured the hearts of her audience once again, reminding them why her journey is one of the most unforgettable in reality TV history. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.